How did Nuremberg Trials pioneer international criminal law? Have you ever wondered how the Nuremberg Trials changed the way we view justice on an international level? These trials were a turning point in history, especially in the context of war crimes and accountability. They were the first international trials where individuals, including high-ranking leaders of Nazi Germany, faced personal accountability for their actions. This was a significant shift from the previous focus on state responsibility to individual criminal responsibility. Before the Nuremberg trials, international law mainly addressed relations between countries. The trials introduced the idea that individuals could be prosecuted for serious violations like crimes against peace, war crimes, and crimes against humanity. This included the horrific acts committed during the Holocaust, where millions of Jews and other targeted groups were systematically murdered. One of the key principles established at Nuremberg was individual responsibility. The trials made it clear that simply following orders or holding a government position does not excuse criminal acts. This means that leaders can be held personally liable for their actions, even if they claim they were just following orders from superiors. Another important development was the legal definition of crimes against humanity. For the first time, this category was formally recognized and prosecuted, covering widespread attacks on civilians, including genocide. This was a major step forward in international law, as it acknowledged the severity of these crimes. The Nuremberg trials also declared aggressive war as the supreme international crime. This meant that planning and waging wars of aggression could lead to prosecution. This legal framework laid down during the trials served as a foundation for future international tribunals and the evolution of international criminal law. The impact of the Nuremberg trials extended beyond their immediate outcomes. They set a precedent for later international military tribunals, such as those for the former Yugoslavia and Rwanda. They also influenced the establishment of permanent institutions like the International Criminal Court. From the perspective of Holocaust history, the Nuremberg trials played a vital role in documenting the atrocities committed during this dark chapter. They gathered extensive evidence of the systematic genocide, ensuring that the scale and nature of these crimes were officially recognized. This legal and historical foundation has been essential for Holocaust education and remembrance. In essence, the Nuremberg trials pioneered international criminal law by establishing accountability for war crimes, crimes against humanity, and aggressive war. They created legal standards and procedures that continue to shape international justice today, especially in addressing crimes like those committed during the Holocaust.